Up for sale, 1972 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, a 72 Corvette finished in red with black interior. Nicely optioned and credentialed. And as always, go around it, tell you about the car, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving because, of course, you know, drive's awesome. Originally Steel City's gray, now Milli Miglia red, if I'm saying that correct. What an odd name for a color. Leave it to Chevy and 72 to do something like that. 350, matching number. M21 trans, matching number. Power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, factory AC, tilt. 3-point seat belts, which isn't that important of an option, but just another option to name. It's got original body on it too, which is always positive. And, you know, nice looking rallies. But anyway, of course, starting here in the front, as always, focusing just on the bumper here. Nice, shiny. You see some light marking on it, but it looks nice. Focusing back to the paint here. Little check, a little crack in the body by the headlight door there. A touch up. A couple other little ones there. This door here is nice. If you see some smudges on it, it's buffing compound. But the headlight door fitment is nice. Hood fitment is nice. Go over here a little bit more. Stuff like that. Very shiny. Like I said, a little bit older, so you know there are some blemishes here and there on it. Again, I'll point them out as I get to them. But let's go ahead. We'll open up the hood now, and I'll show you the engine. I'd also like to say all new interior. Seats, door panels, carpet, the console, dash, stuff like that, steering wheel. I'm impressed in that just alone. Popping up in the hood though. Matching number 350. They got a polished high-rise intake on it, new carburetor, just good stuff. You see the brake booster master cylinder for the power four-wheel disc brakes. Power steering pump down there. Factory air conditioning, which does work. Always a bonus. And it's clean in here. Everything looks like it was painted at some point, detailed a little bit. I love that the air conditioning compressor, one again, just works. Belt, we put some Freon in there as well, just to top it off. Smooth, nice power. Feels more than the stock 200. Maybe they did some, you know, further work to it. But again, you'll see that and hear that as we're driving it. So just backing out a little bit now. I wasn't really looking at the camera. You know, maybe new water pump as well. There's my guy going.
Hey, can you help me stop? What?
He says, can you help him stop? I know we're not here for this, but I figured I'd record it. Anyway, moving on down the driver's side of the car. See, we have fun here. These look relatively recent. Again, like I said, little smudges like that you see, that's buffing compound. See how it's disappearing? Little touch up here and here on the gills. That's what I always like to refer to them as. Couple little marks there. You see nice door fitment here though. So you see a little bit more of that smudging there. I was a little behind today on time, so I just rushed through a little bit of that process. There you go. Nice. That lower rocker molding is super nice. Anyway, focusing here on the door. Fits nice on the line all the way down. No stone chips here. This is always susceptible to it, but you see a couple little marks here in the paint. And then, of course, you see some handprints, you know, getting in and out, stuff like that. So just ignore that. T-top fitment is the way it should be. No cracks in the glass. Oh, you need me to sign? Anyway, going on into the car now. I had the sign for another 72 Corvette going out. Again, like I said, new door panel, the new seats. Seats look fantastic too. I mean, when you look at them with the other little seat belts in there. Weather stripping, relatively recent, or somewhat recent, or replaced at some point, I should say. But the door jamb looks nice in there. You see your trim tag is in place there, 988 for Steel Cities Gray. Door jamb looks nice. Carpet's really nice. No rips in the carpet. A little bit smaller steering wheel. Looks great. But again, look at this. This is all new. This is new. All that's new. Stock shifter. All new. New. That's nice. Yeah. Got the right radio in there. It's not cut up and you know, chopped up. Your controls down there. But yeah, headlights go up and down as they should. Trying to think if I'm missing anything. Up there looks good. This is nicely finished, working light. Carpet's nicely finished. You got the T-top straps in case you want to take them off. Refocusing. See a little mark right there, and then you see a couple little pimples in the paint. And I know there's just a few little zits right there. Unsure as to why. A little chip down there. But this is all nicely finished. Focusing here on the chrome. Nice. You see a little, you know, light of that on top, but super shiny. Nicer than the front bumper, I would say. And I know the same is for this. Focusing on the back. It's got nice sounding exhaust. I'm pretty sure those are Flowmasters. It also has a single mono leaf in the back. Rebuild rear suspension, which is positive. Little mark right there. Back deck looks nice. Again, a little bit of that buffing compound that comes off. Little mark here, a little touch up there. This is all nicely finished. Nice fitment here on the door. See a couple little marks there. Little one right there. Another little one right there. It's a nice driver. Does that well. Nicely optioned, matching number. You can't beat it. New door panel. New seat. Get a little better angle on the seat here. I can't confirm, but the 97,000 or whatever the odometer shows, according to the previous owner, and the title is original. I believe it, maybe. A couple little marks here. Nice fitment there. Again, you see a little more smudging there. A couple little marks right there. And yeah, I already pointed. Oh, this is another one. Another little crack there. I mentioned that earlier. But yeah, 72 Corvette, red, black interior, 350 4-speed, matching numbers, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, AC, tilt. We are going to fire it up just in a few seconds and then drive it. Thank you.